Alright guys, Fancy Pollock, we're back again with the new Maverick. Actually got the light on so you can see some stuff a little better close, like those bolts I was talking about in the last video. Some suspension, some other stuff. But today, what we're going to be doing is installing mirrors, rear view and side mirrors. So I got them in the box right here. So the rear view mirror is a lot simpler than the side mirror, so I'm probably going to start with that. Just basically nuts, bolts, call it good. So we'll go ahead and get that install started with these. So all you basically do with this is just, there's already a mounting bracket on the roll bar. Shove the bolts through with the washers underneath each nut, facing kind of like that. And that's about all there is to it. Screw on the back goes into it. These all look like they're 10mm equipment, so now I've got a rear view mirror. Alright, so that mirror's there. I moved the Maverick back a little bit just so that the stuff's under the light a little better. So mirrors with their poorly translated instructions. So there they are. These brackets mount somehow to the sides. I think they're aluminum. They seem very inexpensive aluminum, as they say, but theoretically they should all mount up. So we'll see if we can figure it out. Alright, well I finished one side completely just to get a good go at it. So basically it comes with all those bolts and screws that you do with that one. You have to put a nut on the back side. That one, there's already a threaded insert in the roll cage. In order to get this plastic piece off, which I did not know this, you need to unscrew those two bottom ones to actually hold it. So just for reference, so that's what I'm doing on this side now. Same things. All right, both sides are now installed. Had my buddy help me get that piece on. This side, for whatever reason, this piece was way more difficult to get installed. You see it's kind of a little marred up and whatnot. It's even not sitting perfectly right now, but it's, you know, it's mostly flush with the body and all that, so you know, can't complain too much. Mirrors look sweet. Side mirrors, rear view mirror. They fold in really nicely, just like that, and they kind of snap into place. So we'll see how much they vibrate and whatnot, but at least in the future I can always just buy the mirrors and I don't have to put the bracket back on. I can just replace the mirrors as needed. So not too bad. I can leave a link if people want to see what specific mirrors I had used, but yeah, that's about all I'm going to be doing with it for now. Now I need to get those special mad ramps for my truck I'm going to be using, so we'll see how she goes from there. Thank you guys for watching, and I'll see you guys in the next video. Peace.